Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to cancel an order on Doordash. Alright, so let's begin. To get started, open the Doordash app and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, go to the order section and locate the order you want to cancel. Tap View Order to open its details. On the order page, look for the help option in the upper right corner of the screen and tap it. From the available options, choose Cancel Order. You'll then be asked to select a reason for canceling. Pick the option that best matches your situation and then tap Continue to confirm your request. After confirming, Doordash will process the cancellation if the order is still eligible. If the cancellation is successful, the order will be cancelled and any applicable refund will be sent back to your original payment method. In many cases, refunds are processed within a few business days, although the exact timing may vary depending on your payment provider. Keep in mind that orders can usually only be cancelled before the restaurant has prepared or dispatched them for delivery. If the order has already reached a later stage in the fulfillment process, the cancellation option may no longer be available or additional charges may apply. And that's it. This is how you can cancel an order on Doordash. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.